This is really not gonna work, Brian.
Oh, crap. I'm fine. So we're gonna wrap this up like that. Oh, crap, I gotta put it on first.
On?
Yeah, gotta be on for this. We're gonna wrap it.
And it has to be
loosely.
aluminum foil.
Yes, wrap it loosely.
Where did you see this? This is not gonna work.
Yes, it is. So then I plug it in.
Yeah.
I don't want to be touching that.
Would you get shocked if you were touching it?
Probably not, but I just wanted to be careful. Okay, so that needs to be plugged in for like 10 seconds is it. Just 10 seconds. So we'll count it down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Nothing's happening.
4, 3, 2, 1. Now I've got to carefully turn it off. There's the switch there. I'm gonna turn it off so they hold the power in it.
Yeah. Have you done this before or you just saw it online? What's going on?
No, I just figured it out. So you get the foil off,
Okay.
and then pass me the duct tape.
Oh.
Okay, and we're going to tape it down like that.
Covering holes?
Yeah, we want to cover one hole, but mostly just taping it down like that. Good. Now, hopefully this works. So,
It's not going to.
yes, it will. So now, this has power in it, and we're gonna plug its own cord.
Wait, you're saying plugging it in wrapped in foil powered up the power bar?
Yes.
It's not a thing.
Oh, I gotta move that tape a little bit. There we go. So now, it's plugged into itself.
Yes.
Yes. And if I hit the switch, the light should come on.
It won't come on.
I think the light will come on. Okay.
Wait, what?
The light came on. Wait. But it's got enough power. That doesn't take much to power the light.
It was like just residual electricity.
Well, let's see if we can power something, like a lamp or something. If we can grab me something. Grab me like a lamp or what do you got? What is it? Your toaster? Oh, grabbing the margarita maker.
Ow!
Okay. So
I hit my elbow.
let's hey Matt, wanna grab me some ice?
Yeah, dude, this is insane.
I don't know if
I'm
this is
like
gonna work.
stunned into silence.
It's like I'm saying, I don't think this is gonna work.
Okay.
It's already kind of worked. That's nuts.
Okay, we're gonna plug the margarita maker in. Here, dump the ice into there.
Oh, with pleasure.
I can't believe this is doing anything.
This is not a thing.
Okay.
Is that enough?
Seriously, this is not a thing.
Should be good.
There you go.
Okay, so I'm going to turn on the margarita maker first. And then,
See, it's not doing anything.
because I haven't turned on the power bar yet. Alright, check it out.
It's not gonna work.